Welcome to Flippin Rejects with me, Shane Leafy, where we take items that people are giving away for free over the internet, or items that we find at the thrift store that are slightly more than free. And we take those rejected items and turn them into functional artwork, home decor, and furniture. Today, I'm taking these 3 vintage cameras and turning them into lamps. Let's get started. To start, I use an angle grinder with a wood carving wheel just to knock off the bark from the live edge of these 2 pieces of walnut and get ready for sanding. Both of these pieces of walnut will become the bases for 2 of the lamps. I sanded from 60 grit all the way to 320. After sanding, I set these 2 pieces of walnut aside to get started. I figured this camera was going to be the easiest of the 3 to do. I was just putting pieces together. I had purchased these pieces from other lamps and scavenged them for this project. All in all, in this specific lamp, I had less than $15. Just soldering in some extra lamp cable, and this first lamp is finished. I typically don't like drilling through cameras, but this old Polaroid wasn't working, so I was okay with it. For this lamp, I had all the pieces already as well. I purchased this Polaroid from a neighbor at a yard sale for $2. Including the bulb, this lamp cost about $15 to build.
All that's left is to attach some wires, and this one was almost finished. Last but not least, this 8mm camera was actually harder than the other two, just because I actually had to take it apart. Here I'm mixing up a two-part epoxy that I will use to secure the candelabra base inside the camera. Now just putting the face back together and on to attaching it to the base. quick check if everything works, and it's finished. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. If you have anything else in mind that you'd like me to flip, leave that in the comments as well.
It's a pretty good block with the rook there, but I don't think you're seeing the big picture. Am I right? Checkmate. Oh, hey. I'm just sitting here playing some board games with these lamps you just saw me build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. And if you really like the video, hit that bell so you'll get a notification every time I have another item that I flip into something cool. So y'all have a great day, and go make something awesome. All right, let's see, back to this. Yeah, checkmate, man.